Hi, this is an example of passing an array as an argument into a function. So here I've declared a function called total, and the argument, or the one parameter, will be a array. The array will have an undefined upper bound, so you can use a star in your function declaration because the function should be flexible and shouldn't have a set number of elements that have to be sent to the function in order to total it. So it's going to take an array, it's going to output all the elements added together. So we need a local variable. So in this example, the local variable we'll call, short for total, will be an integer. We're initializing it to 0, and then we're going to cycle through all the elements in the array using a for loop. Once again, we don't know how big the array is, but we don't really care because the upper function will also help us figure out how many elements were sent as an argument. So then we just add each element up. Total becomes total plus list at spot I until we've gone through the entire array, and then we result the total. The function ends. So for the first example, I declared an array called nums, and I've initialized the three elements to be 1, 2, and 3. So when we total them, it will total 1 plus 2 plus 3, and then output that to the screen. I've then decided to make sure our function works with more than 3 numbers, so I made an array of 100 elements, and then I did a for loop just to randomize a number between 1 and 100. I didn't feel like typing out 100 numbers because that is not the important part of this. So if I put total and then I send more nums into the function, well, I have no idea if 5,000 is correct actually, but we'll assume it took all 100 numbers to randomize them between 1 and 100, which kind of makes sense for it to be 500 to be somewhere, well, I didn't expect it to be right in the middle. Let's do that again. 4,518. So the chances of me getting 5,000 bang on again will be very low. But anyways, this is an example of passing an array as a parameter into a function.